Welcome to my channel. So please consider subscribing again. In today's presentation, what are we going to look at? Basically, we're going to look at diabetes prediction, still using machine learning and then artificial intelligence. So, what should we expect in this presentation? We have the AI agents and AI environment, the data set description, informed and uninformed search and how it is being used, then AI accountability. So, a brief introduction about this disease. Diabetes mellitus is a multifactorial disease that requires long-term care. Necessity involves major changes in both physical and psychosocial dimension of the patient. So diabetes is one kind of disease that occurs when the blood sugars or glucose in the human body is very high. So according to health experts, diabetes occurs when the human body's gland called the pancreas cannot produce insulin, and then maybe when this insulin is produced, it can't be used by the body cells. So the AI agents and the environment. First of all, what is an agent? An agent is anything that perceives its environment through sensors and acts upon that environment through effectors and maybe actuators. So in this project, we are going to be using a software agent. Since our model is a software that was hard-coded with and trained with a data set, and then this data set contains some values, contains some columns with the outcome having values of 1 and 0s, meaning with a 0 you have not the diabetes, and then with the 1 you have the disease. So we are going to be using a software agent in this case, and then depending on the particular values you've entered, you enter into this program. Those values will be judged, and then based on the training that this model has, it will be able to tell you that you have the disease or you don't. So basically, with this data set description, we are going to use the PIMA Indians data set. This data set contains a lot of relevant information, basically regarding the sugar levels, the insulin levels, the age, the body mass index, the BMI, the pedigree function, and the output. The output having a 0 or a 1, indicating whether you have the disease or not. So from the link below, from this link, you are able to find the data set. So informed and uninformed search. First of all, what are these? Uninformed search is a class of general purpose search algorithms which operate in a brute force way. Uninformed search algorithms do not have additional information about the state or the search space, but rather how to traverse that state or the tree. So it's basically called a blind search. Well, the informed search, this informed search algorithm contains an array of knowledge, such as how far we are from the goal, part of the path and the path cost, then how to reach the goal node. This knowledge helps these agents, this software agent, to explore this in the search space and to find more efficient efficiently the goal node. So this informed search basically uses this function here, and this function is just used to find the most promising path. And how is it going to be? So basically, we are going to be using the informed search since we have already the data set, and then this data set will be able to guide us through all this. This data set is going to guide us since we have already trained our model with this data set. So our model is informed about what to do in a particular situation, depending on the values that you input, then we are able to get a particular result from the outcome column. Yes. So what is AI accountability? AI accountability, this simply refers to who is accountable when the AI agent goes wrong or it misbehaves. Who is accountable? This is what, in case it does something wrong, who is accountable? But in this case, unless when you input wrong values, and then maybe you're trying to test, obviously it will give you the result. A model will give you the result based on what you have input. So then you have to expect a complete and accurate result when all the values that you input, maybe the glucose levels, the insulin levels, the body mass index, all those values which you input, when they are true and accurate, then expect some good, accurate result. Yeah, basically that was it in this presentation. Thanks for watching.